Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, a compound microscope uses an objective lens of focal length 4 cm and eye lens of focal length 10 cm. If an object is placed at 6 cm from the objective lens, then the magnifying power of the compound microscope to the final image formed near point will be. So student, here a compound microscope has objective lens and eye lens. So focal length of objective lens is given to us 4 cm and focal length of eye lens is given to us 10 cm, and distance of object from objective lens is given to us 6 cm. We take it as negative. So 1 upon FO equal to 1 upon VO minus 1 upon U naught. Putting these values, this is 1 upon 4, FO is 4 and B naught is required here, it is minus 6. So 1 upon B naught plus 1 upon 6, therefore 1 upon B naught equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. 12 is LCM, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12, so this is 1 upon 12, therefore B naught equal to 12 centimeter. Now magnifying power of objective lens MO equal to VO upon UO, that 12 centimeter upon 6 centimeter, which is 2. So magnifying power of objective lens is 2. Magnifying power of eye lens is equal to 1 plus D over FE. D is minimum distance of vision, which is 25, and FE is given to us 10 centimeter. Therefore this is 1 plus 2.5, that is 3.5 ME. Now question is asking the magnifying power of compound microscope. So M equal to MO into ME, that is 2 into 3.5, that is 7. So magnifying power of compound microscope is 7, which is found in option A. Therefore option A is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.